Okay, so back at the garage. It's misty as fuck out here today. But it looks like Dean's already in there, so let's go have a look, see what he's doing. Alright.
Hello, bro. You alright?
How's it going?
Yeah, not too bad. Just started on the tackling on this teardown still.
Oh shit.
So just started cleaning it up a little bit. Getting it a bit cleaner, so getting rid of the grime. Going to start taking off these brackets around here. Take off the earth cable. Get this side off. Should be able to do that pretty quickly. With a nice rubber mallet.
What's that, the oil?
This is the oil filter. Yeah, so this is a centrifugal oil filter. And as you can see, oh my god.
Holy shit.
That is all the crud. And it's all up here too. Look at that. Oh. So we're going to start cleaning all this up.
Jesus.
Should be able to take this off. Oh yeah, there you go. And then this is the bolt that we've got to do to get these out.
Holy shit.
Going to start taking out these bolts and hangings and stuff so we can get it all stripped down. Make our life a lot easier.
Yeah.
For the rebuild. 10. Oh, I've got a little catching bit on it. That's why it won't fit off. You see that? Oh no? You've got to knock that down with a hammer.
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, one of those things. Right, so then we go 32.
Oh, it's not juice, is it? Nice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These two big studs out, so I'll do that first actually. So go.
What's that steam again? Oh, it's got source cameras. Alright, I'm way there. Alright, let's go see what Dean's up to. How's it going, Dean?
Well, while we're having technical issues, I managed to get the sign off.
Yeah.
So we've got the.
Holy
that's
shit.
where the chain is now located. So we're now just going to take off the exhaust bracket. Get rid of that shite.
Yeah. Yeah, we can pretty much throw that away, can't we?
Yeah.
All custom
Other exhaust bracket. That's right there.
Thank you.
Then we'll take out the ground strap. Because we're going to get a new one. That's gross. Let's do that. Yeah. Alright, this is for the head. And then this one here. Yep. Alright, awesome. Now we can get the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts out. What?
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. 4.
Oh.
I've got 3.
Because there's 3 here, and only 2.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Yeah, so it's fucked.
Right, well, unfortunately the camera's completely fucked now, so... Because it's so goddamn cold, it's so goddamn misty out there. But we'll try our best, won't we?
Yeah.
It looks like it. What?
The fucking bolts went down the hole.
Oh, for God's sake.
But,
Come on, man.
yes. What we're going to do is smash it with a hammer.
That's what I did.
How did they go missing? Okay. Grab a mallet. If I hold it, you just two-handed. Fucking smash.
Oh, it's breaking the hammer.
Oh, that's alright. There.
Aha!
We got it.
We got moving. Camera can't see shit. God damn.
Come over, just have to come over.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
It's too interesting to make it entertaining.
It's too... we can actually see again.
Yeah, so here you go. So after all that fucking around, we've finally managed to get it open. So now we're just going to try and pry it off. There's the gasket moving. Alright, that side.
Be gentle with her.
I am. It's probably made better than most fucking cars nowadays anyway. That plastic fucking thermostat shit.
That's fine, yeah, we size your car running out.
It's fine, yeah, the car's running fine.
Yeah, that's good. So, we replaced the thermostat the other day, don't we?
Yeah, we had to do the thermostat on it.
And we took out on the snow, your car.
Oh yeah, well if it's racing semi-slopes.
Yeah, it wasn't
We'll make a
right.
short of it because we've tried to film it but it was too fucking cold. So we'll make lots of shorts and then you can have short entertainment of the thermostat.
I'll just chuck it in the video now, to be honest.
Oh yeah, we can do, yeah. We can just merge it in.
Yeah.
Just the stupid bits, you know. So the suspected thermostat. But where the heater matrix joins, there's two pipes near the radio. And they're O-rings, and that's a common fault. So we're going to check that first to see if any water leak is present there. And then if not, we'll be replacing the thermostat. Right. Ooh, 5 pound. So that is stuck in there, and that is stuck in there, but I can't seem to get it out.
Fuck's sake.
Fucking Gengar.
Piss off, Gengar.
What is it stuck on, man? Weight reduction. Well, that's the heater matrix there.
Yeah.
That's the pipe. There doesn't seem to be any coolant leaking under there. Which is the good side. To the other side!
Oh, my hands are so cold. Yeah.
Yeah, you can get in there. You can see it. See? So
Definitely got a leak in there somewhere.
that is literally just water. So I don't think it is coolant. So yeah, we'll replace the thermostat. Oh, yeah.
Right, we're just going to take you for a quick drive now to see if there's anything coming out of it.
Oh. Oh my god!
Yeah, let's stick the racing tyres on. Doing much of this, like,
No!
you know.
Oh my god. Semi-racing slicks in the ice. Not great idea. Right, now we're on the main road. Yeah, I got that stupid auto park that never worked. No, it doesn't.
Back up to 90.
No, it's not. It's gone down.
Got that again.
Yeah. It just doesn't hold temp. It's gone down the fuel carriageway and stuff. It's definitely heated up. Car's warm. Yeah, it's dropped again. See?
Oh shit.
Disappointment. There's no coolant leak inside, so we're just going to replace the thermostat. Oh, yeah, looks good. Yeah, nothing to do with everything.
Oh.
Right. Now, the non-pikey way to do this is to drain the coolant first. We're not doing it that way. Yeah.
That's good to learn.
Step 1. Step 2. There might be some comment here.
Yeah, there it is.
There it is. Step 3. There's one here. I've got the lighter, Ad. We can burn it.
Can we?
Yeah.
Yeah. We can't be asked to see, can we?
No. Fill it. Alright, maybe not. Maybe not. There's another pipe as well, right at the back.
Is that?
Yeah, it's full.
Oh, for fuck's sake. That's full.
It's twisted as well. It's really good. Yeah, there you go.
Got it.
Yeah. Oh! Where's that other pipe? Another pipe like that.
Oh, of course, yeah.
Something in.
Fuck.
Stupid cars.
Shit.
2.
Fucking get spun now. Oh god, it's right on there. Fuck. Groovy. Man, I fucking let's get something. Fuck, that's what I was thinking.
Ah, there you go. Oh, winning.
That is awesome. Oh god.
That is a lot of corrosion around the coolant channels.
If you had to use one word to describe that, what would it be?
Looks like a Romanian hooker. There's a lot of rust, and I feel like this gasket needed replacing.
Yeah.
Let's take that up, see if we can get.
Shine it up.
Oh,
What the fuck?
I don't know. Yeah.
It's two gaskets.
No, but the gasket broke.
Oh, the gasket broke. Fantastic.
Yeah. Okay, there you go.
Oh, look at those beautiful pistons in there.
Alright, let's give it a quick blast. So this is why, right, when you build a car, you need to clean it. Because look at this fucking, look what's all that in there.
Oh,
Look at that. It's like,
bro.
Oh, look, it's all down there. Can you see down there? If I get, see that down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
What the fuck, man?
I don't know what the fuck that is, but we'll get all that out anyway. Clean all this up. That's all clean. There's no, like, there's a lot of shit in there now, so we've got to clean all that out. But overall, it looks really good. Yeah, that's it, look, it's like glass.
That's very
But
strange.
it's not glass.
Jesus, that's just everywhere, isn't it?
Yeah,
Fuck.
like, literally everywhere. Looks like snot rag, so that's going to go well. And then, we've got to flip it over now.
Flip over.
Yeah. Let all that drain out.
I thought you were doing all the work on this, I'm just standing about.
Yeah, that's fine. Now we're going to take off this, and then we can get the pistons out.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, buddy!
So, weird.
Oh my god, that is tight!
Oh my god, I'm sorry. You're using like a tiny wrench as well.
Yeah, it already had the bit on it, mate. Why would you want to go to all that effort when it's already got the bit on it?
Yeah, true that.
Yeah, you watch all these YouTubers these days, they're all pussies.
With the electric wrenches and
Yeah, exactly.
electric.
Oh, everyone's got to be fucking Milwaukee. Fuck that, we got Parkside, bro. Little special. Oh, just put a hole in my box.
Oh no, the box.
Oh. Sorry.
This box is fucked.
You got a hole in it. Yeah, sorry.
Do you know what's in there? I didn't check before I put that under there.
I don't know. Who cares?
It's almost full. Look at it.
Yeah, that bit's hard though.
What is that?
If you know what that is, let us know in the comments because we have no fucking Scooby.
Crumbly.
Oh no, there you go. Alright, that's oh, maybe fucking out. I can't see. I can't see.
Can you get this fucking thing off?
Yeah, I can actually.
Sweet.
Fuck you.
Brilliant.
Oh, there you go. 1, 2, and then get out, you son of a bitch. Right. Upsies! Sorry. Oh. Next morning. Or day, should we say. Yep, man.
Why is it seamless? Of course,
Next, let's try and figure out how to get this. That comes off.
Cool. Okay.
So that's off. I'll take this off. We'll do it then. That come out. Now we know how to get it out. Brilliant. Now, we're going to take it out everything.
So that's crankshaft out, camshaft out, everything out. Fantastic.
Yeah. So now the engine block is completely empty. That is everything dismantled from the engine. Now we've got to start cleaning it out because it's covered in loads of junk. But yeah, the next job is cleaning all the parts. We've got some parts on order, and then after the parts arrive and we clean it all, then it'll be assembly.
Yeah, so good old clean up next.
And then maybe paint it.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Any idea on colours?
Well, the car's going to be, we don't know. And then, so no, I have no clue. But I think we should do a random colour.
Okay.
Any ideas? Let us know in the comments.
Should we do yeah.
A lot of things to look forward to, but now it's going to get a little bit more interesting.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, that's all the boring crap out of the way.
I won't do any more.
Okay, well, we will. Ow! Oh, bugger! Ow! Oh, I've got us a gearbox there.
I hope you recorded. Because this is your return.
Ow!
Ah! This. Oh, it's not too bad inside.
Not too bad.
Oh, that's alright. It's just on the outside. Did have a hole put in it though. 2. 3.